Hello everyone, I'm back at Curry's today and we're going to have a look at all of our coffee machines. So here we have the Bravo Barista Express just here. Manual steam one there. Here we have the Barista Pro Express, this one. Next have a look from the Barista Express because it has the automatic touch screen on here. Here we have Dolce Gusto machines. I have one of these, but I'm going to be getting rid of mine and need to look for a new one for my coffee shop, don't I, Paul? That one's the S-Touch. That one's the Piccolo XS. We have a Bosch Tassimo here. Ideally, I'm not wanting one with pods because it'll just be wasting much money. Couple of espresso machines, and here we have the brand new Ninja Luxe Cafe machine here. £499. That is expensive. It has a whole lot more features than most machines normally have. Like, including the Luxe baskets as well. The Barista Mats by Bravo. That one's quite a nice machine as well. That's the Barista Mats coffee one, that. Very, very nice, isn't it, Paul? Here we have the Dedica. This is the older style. Another Dedica. We have a Bravo. And look, this is what I'm mailing to the automatics. So we have the Siemens Wi-Fi. Another Siemens EQ6 Plus, that one. And this one is the same one as at Harbour Hills that I go to. This one's the 5400 series by Philips. We have one by Siemens. Another one by Sage. But this is 5AE. Very, very nice machine, isn't it, Paul? Now let's go to this area, see what they have up there. Here we have the Prima Donna Elite by DeLonghi. The DeLonghi Eletta Explore machine. Quite a nice machine that, but although it's a budget model, the DeLonghi fully automatic, semi-automatic. Same one here. And Magnifica Plus. The DeLonghi Dynamica, that for £450. That's quite a good deal, I would say. Oops. There we go. And the Prima Donna Soul, but with the touch screen. And quite a few impressive machines here. This is the Virtual Pop. This one is the DeLonghi Latissima Plus. No, it's just the standard Latissima machine. And that's it.